Hi everyone and welcome back, or if you're new here then hi and namaste. I'm Shreya and welcome to a new video. So this is a Savannah haul with a little bit of twist. तो जितने भी कपड़े मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ all are gym related और workout specific clothes. So I wanted to shop for some athleisure and Savannah में बहुत अच्छा collection था. So yeah, this is everything that I got from Savannah and I have been using it daily. Like I have been using these clothes on a regular basis. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start with what I'm wearing right now. This top is the first product that I'm going to show you. तो ये मैंने पहना ही हुआ है and as you can see this is black in color. It is a sheer top by the way. इसके अंदर I'm wearing a bralette and you will have to get something to wear underneath and this is how it looks like. The fabric is really very nice and smooth. बहुत ही हल्का है and it also somehow covers. Like you can see, I'm very comfortable wearing this. यहाँ तक तो सब cover हो ही रहा है and this kind of gives an illusion और हवा भी आती है which is just perfect क्योंकि अब summers आ गए हैं. So yeah, we need some air. सामने से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है and पीछे we have the racer back. So this is how it looks like. You can see everything here. And again I will link everything down in the description box, so if you want to place the order just go ahead and buy right now because I think अभी थोड़ा off चल रहा है, so you will get really great discounts. Okay, so आ जाते हैं अब अपने next top पे. So I have this one. Now this I have worn recently. ये अभी तक मैंने workout के टाइम पे नहीं पहना है, but I went out to a picnic and I wore this. उस टाइम पे मौसम कुछ ऐसा था कि it was little cold and little गर्मी mix. So I think it was perfect and it looks super trendy. Just see how it looks like. This is the picture. It looks super cool. Like you can just wear it with cargo pants. That's how I style it. But you can also wear it with skirts and everything. मतलब जिम के साथ साथ भी you can easily style it outside and I just love this one so much. And of course if you want it, so this is the next top. ये भी मैं समझा नहीं पा रही हूँ कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, but yeah, this is what the top looks like. You can see side में drawstrings है and it is a body hugging top. It looks very nice. It looks very sexy, I would say. Also it's A-line और साथ में एक hoodie भी है which looks so cool. Now when I wore this top for the first time मेरे को थोड़ा समझ नहीं आ रहा था because this kind of looks upside down. This is what I'm talking about. तो ये आगे का है and if you try to wear it, this is how it looks from the front and I think it's kind of cool. एक दो बार मैंने पहना तो मुझे लगा शायद मैंने टॉप उल्टा पहन लिया है, but then I figured out कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये उल्टा ही सीधा है. I especially got it because I really liked the color and I did not have anything in this grey color. So अच्छा, by the way, I don't remember the prices of anything और सबकी prices नीचे description box में होंगे और अगर मेरा editing के टाइम पे ज़्यादा मन किया तो मैं screen पे भी डाल दूंगी. So this is the next top. Yeah, this is the next top and look at this color. कितना प्यारा bright color है and this is by the way the back. You can see the back detailing. This is what it looks like and सारे ही कपड़ों में कुछ ना कुछ होता है and that's why I said that Savannah has great collection. So this is again a full sleeves top. I really liked कि इसके हाथ का I don't know what it is called, but yeah, I can just rest my fingers like if I'm doing some sort of exercise. I don't have to worry कि मेरा sleeve ऊपर roll हो जाएगा. So this is a really cute element in this top. आगे से it looks like a pretty basic top, but when you see at the back looks really good. And this was all about this peach top and चलो चलते हैं next पे. So the next top that I've gotten is this one. It's a very plain basic black top and you can never go wrong with black. But of course हम back पे देखेंगे तो इसका back कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It looks super cool like if you wear it with tights and there is little bit of your kamar showing and it looks really nice, like you know there is something but there is not a lot. So I like this. The fabric is again really good. मतलब ये वो वाला fabric है जो पसीना आता है जल्दी सूख जाता है, वो वाला fabric. I don't know what it is called. If you know what it is called, comment below. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like and you will obviously see the clips and link will be in the description. Okay, so the next top is kind of my favorite. I'll tell you why. So this is what it looks like and this is the back. Okay, and why I love it? Because it is padded and it is not a sports bra, it is a top, like it's a padded top and it looks so good. अभी तक मैंने इसे पहना नहीं है because I'm just not in that mind frame, but soon. And also it was little cold, but now summers are coming, so I'm definitely going to wear it. And it looks so good and it is so comfortable to wear. It is perfect if you're like doing yoga, zumba or even going to the gym. और जितना मुझे याद है when I got it, it wasn't that expensive. There was a lot of discount going on. So definitely go and check out Savannah right now and buy it. Okay, next and last in this category is this. Oh my god, मैंने कितना उल्टा पकड़ा है. Yeah, so it's a see-through sheer jacket. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, for this, इनका similar है थोड़ा. Like for this also you will have to wear something underneath, and I already have a black bralette, the one that I'm wearing inside, and it is really good. It is from H&M. I know this is not an H&M haul, but if I find the link I will definitely link that too, because this is so good. Like if you are working out alone at home and if you're comfortable, you can just wear the under wala H&M wala bralette and work out, because it's quite good. It gives a lot of support. And coming back to हमारा jacket, so ये मैंने लिया because it just looked cool. and I shopped for these things like quite a few months back. तब full peak winters चल रहे थे, so I thought maybe jacket की भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. Winters में वैसे ये किसी काम का नहीं है, किसी काम का नहीं literally, क्योंकि पूरी हवा आती है. But I think, well, in that case you can also wear this in summers, so we are sorted. And yeah, now the tops are done. Let's move on to the bottoms. Now for bottoms, I don't have a lot. I just have 2 bottoms, but both are really very good. So chalo. So this is the first one, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. You will definitely see पूरा कैसा लगता है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा net है, then बीच में there is a different fabric, and all like every fabric is so good. I don't know इसको क्या कहते हैं यार, but वो वाला मटेरियल जो गीला होके बहुत जल्दी सूखता है, that fabric. Yeah, so it is that fabric and it is really very good. By the way, everything that you're seeing is in the size L. I feel Savannah का जो size measurement वाला होता है ना, वो comparatively थोड़ा छोटा ही मिलता है. Mostly मेरा M होता है, but I didn't want to take any chance and I went with L. So pants मेरे को थोड़े से लूज है, थोड़े से, but I still feel कि टाइट होने से बेटर है कि मेरे को लूज आए. Like I don't want something to be like so tight that I can't breathe. So yeah, that was my take on the size guide. Now you can choose accordingly. But what I felt is that Savannah की हमेशा sizes थोड़ी सी छोटी, थोड़ी सी कम रहती है, तो एक size up ही order करो. Okay, coming back to the pants, मैंने अभी तक इसे नहीं पहना है, but जितना मैंने इसे फील किया है एंड टच किया है, आई फील इट विल बी गुड एंड आई एम श्योर इट विल बी गुड, बिकॉज आई हैव अ सिमिलर पैंट जो मैंने अभी लिए हैं यहाँ से, एंड एकदम सेम फैब्रिक है, एंड वो मैंने इतना ज़्यादा पहना है. लाइक आई एम bored of it, but I'm not bored of it. I'm bored to see it, but it's so comfortable that I wear it every day. So this is the last find and last product that I'm going to show in this video. So this is what I'm wearing right now. It is this striped pant that I am wearing. It's like a flowy bell bottom wala jo hota hai pant, and it is literally the most used product out of everything that I've bought. As you can see, मैंने अभी भी ये पहना ही हुआ है, so of course I am in love with it. And I think कुछ लो ना लो, but ये तो definitely you can order, and I can vouch for that you're going to love it too. So this was it, and this brings an end to my Savannah haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I want to do more such videos, and tell me आपको क्या लगता है. The links to everything will be down in the description box, so go and shop. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.